What is Pharmacy Practical Kit? It is a checklist which includes all the instructions, instruments which are needed for a pharmacist to practice his profession. Pharmacy practical exams typically assess a student's ability to apply their knowledge and skills in a real world pharmacy setting. Key topics and tips for pharmacy practical exams. Number 1. Prescription processing. Understanding how to accurately interpret and process prescriptions is a fundamental skill. Number 2. Compounding. You may be required to prepare specific medications such as ointments, creams, or oral suspensions. Number 3. Dispensing medications. You may need to demonstrate your ability to dispense medications to patients. Number 4. Drug information. Familiarize yourself with common drug classes and their uses. Number 5. Pharmacy law and ethics. Must know the laws and regulations governing pharmacy practice in your region. Number 6. Patient assessment. You might be asked to assess a patient's medication profile and provide recommendations for improving patient care. Number 7. Drug interactions. Be able to recognize and assess potential drug interactions. Number 8. Compounding equipment. Familiarize yourself with various compounding equipment such as mortar and pestle, ointment slab, and balance scales. Number 9. Medication errors. Must know how to prevent and respond to medication errors. Number 9. Patient counseling. Practice effective communication skills when counseling patient on their medications. Number 10. Patient assessment. Understand how to assess a patient's health status and medication history to provide appropriate pharmaceutical care. Number 11. Documentation. Proper documentation is essential in pharmacy practice. Number 12. Medication storage. Must know the proper storage conditions for various medications. Number 13. Emergency situations. Be prepared to respond to emergency situations such as drug overdoses or adverse reactions. Number 14. Infection control. Practice good hygiene and aseptic technique to prevent contamination during compounding and dispensing. Remember to review the specific requirements and expectations for your pharmacy practical exams, as they can vary depending on your school or licensing body. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Javedan Hota Pharmacy. Thanks.